today I will be explaining why the hottest real estate is not London, Paris, or New York City, but in virtual worlds called metaverses. That's right, metaverse real estate is selling for millions of dollars. In today's video, we will go over how you can earn passive income from metaverse real estate, so make sure to watch the full video. Real estate has become the biggest trend inside the metaverse. Virtual land prices have increased by 500% in the last few months. Virtual real estate has become the new stocks or bonds for investment. On the other hand, for others it has become yet another stream of passive income, and that is what I will be explaining in this video. Number 1. Virtual land flipping. So, the first passive income stream we have is real estate flipping. First, let's understand what flipping is. In real life, people earn extra passive money by flipping houses. What it means is purchasing a house and holding onto it for some time. And after some time, when the value of the asset rises, you sell it to make a profit. This is an easy method of earning passive income as long as you make wise decisions like when to buy, when to sell, what to buy, and where to buy. In the very same way, digital land flipping is also a profitable stream of passive income. In the metaverse, you can purchase plots of virtual land or even buildings and virtual structures. And you wait for it to increase in value and resell it to pocket the profit. Here are some simple steps to get you started on virtual land flipping. Step 1. Set a budget. This is a somewhat risky business, so you need to set a budget beforehand. Step 2. Find the right property, as that will be the base of your business.
This is business! Hey.
Step 3. After finding the right piece of land, make the best possible offer. Remember that the objective is to buy low and sell high. Step 4. Set a proper timeline. Or you can just sell the property when you think that the property is at its highest potential. And at last, sell the property and the profit is yours. Number 2. Renting out your real estate. Moving on to the next method of earning passive income with metaverse real estate. I think that this is by far the easiest, the most efficient, and least risky stream for passive income in the metaverse. Becoming a virtual landlord can earn you a lot of money. The key points of this business is buying the right property in the right area in the right metaverse. Companies are already setting up their virtual shops in the metaverse. For example, powerhouses like Nike, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton have already set up their shops in the metaverse for Meta customers. What you can do is to rent out your land to such organizations and companies and earn an easy passive income from it. You can boost your income by constructing structures like malls, stadiums, and halls on your property. However, some companies bring their own structures and virtual equipment, and all you need to do is rent out your land to them. Number 3. Brokering virtual land. At number 3, we have virtual land brokering. This is not a passive income idea, but more of a side hustle. Because when you already own land in the metaverse, you are already familiar with the purchase and sell mechanism of metaverse real estate. What you can do is become a broker for other people or even organizations, buying and selling virtual land for them. With the recent increase of real estate business in the metaverse, the need for real estate companies has also risen.
Yes, the fire rises.
You can earn a lot of money by just connecting buyers and sellers or even giving out metaverse real estate advice. This doesn't seem like a bad idea for a side hustle, and given how rapidly the metaverse is growing, you might even turn this into a full-time and potential business. Number 4. Advertising. At number 4, we have advertising. The hottest, most visible properties are being commissioned as advertisements. The current possibilities of advertisement in the metaverse are videos and interactive and personalized experiences. However, the most efficient way of advertisement is by constructing billboards. If you own land in a high-traffic area, you can construct a billboard on it. Afterward, all you need to do is to leave your contact info and let individuals and companies contact you. And now your job is to change the signage after some time. The key point is finding a suitable location within the metaverse. As of now, measuring the traffic of a location is tricky, and that is what matters for billboards. Especially in metaverses like Sandbox, where you can wander around and walk across the map. Having the billboards in areas of high traffic will be your key to a successful passive income stream. If you want to boost your passive income, you can invest more at a time, build several billboards at different locations, and rent them all out. What I like about this concept is that constructing billboards and renting them out is a low input yet high yield business. Number 5. Hosting events on your real estate. Another way of earning passive income with your metaverse real estate is by hosting events on your land. Especially since many artists have already done this and have proved how big of an event you can carry out in the metaverse. The first thing to do is rent property where you will host the event. Since you will already own the virtual land, you can proceed to the next step. The next step is actually planning, organizing, and then carrying out the event. This is not much of a passive income model as it requires a lot of work. But you don't need to worry about that. You can hire a virtual event manager. As an event manager, he will be responsible for ensuring that the venue is perfect, all equipment is at hand, you have a good audience, and the event is well organized. As you own the land and you invested in an event manager to do all the grunt work, all you have to do is let the passive income come in. The monetization possibilities for virtual events are endless. Everyone has heard of Gucci, right? So the Italian powerhouse Gucci carried out the online event Gucci Garden last year, and a whopping 19 million people experienced it. People could try on and even buy limited edition digital clothing. Not only the fashion, but the music industry has also made its precedence in event hosting in the metaverse. Travis Scott carried out a concert in Fortnite with an audience of 12 million as virtual characters. Even in Roblox, Lil Nas X performed for more than 33 million digital avatars. What I want you to understand is that hosting an event in the metaverse is much easier as compared to real life, as you are not bound by real-life limitations. And you can take advantage of this by hosting your own events, big or small, and monetizing them. Location is the key. I can't stress this enough, but location is the key. It doesn't matter if you are in the real world or in the virtual world. When we are talking about real estate, location is the key. For example, if you buy land in a very high traffic area and use it for advertisement, it will be like winning a lottery. Remember the guy that paid $45,000 to be Snoop Dogg's virtual neighbor? That is what I'm talking about. Location is the key. Metaverse real estate scarcity. Also, one more thing, digital land, or what we call plots or parcels, are limited. There is a limit to the number of lands in the metaverse, and each land is traded as an NFT. For example, Decentraland has 90,601 plots of equal size. So be wise in buying and selling real estate in the metaverse. Do you think that virtual land is the best metaverse investment? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you liked this video, you really will enjoy watching our other video on earning passive income in the metaverse. Go check it out right now. See you in the next one.